Hi guys, it's Donna at Face Paints for you. If you're new to my channel and you're interested in face and body painting, please consider subscribing. Anyway, as we're near Easter, I thought I would do a nice Easter design. So I've done a cute little Easter bunny holding a big giant Easter egg. If you'd like to see how I do this, please keep watching. Okay, so I started by loading a 5/8 short angled brush with a fun stroke from the Global Colour Punch palette, and I started to do an egg shape with the darkest colour on the outside, then just sprayed some glitter. Then I loaded my 3/4 short angle brush with a one stroke from Fusion called Leanne's Lollipop, and from the egg I pulled a curved line around the eye, slowly turning my brush. Then with a small filbert brush with a one stroke from Diamond Effects called Urban, and only by using the grey in the middle and a pinch of black, I do half a circle for the top of the head, and then for the ears I do curved lines going from thin to thick to thin, and always remembering to keep the black on the top. Then to do the arm, I first leave a small gap to put the white whiskers, and I do a slightly curved line starting from on top of the egg, so it gives the illusion that he's holding the egg. Then at the back of the arm, I do a curved line going in, then back out again for his bottom. Then I do his thigh by doing a small C, and then underneath just do a small little line for its paw. Then I loaded my Low Cornell round brush number 4 with white Diamond Effects, and I started to do a little U and then whiskers flicking out on both sides, and filled it in up to the arm. And of course, because the colours behind are quite bright, you may need to go over it slightly. Then I do thin to thick to thin again on the ears, and then between his arm and his thigh I colour in his tummy. Now I grabbed my Low Cornell round brush number 3 and I loaded it up with a neon pink, and of course any pink will be absolutely fine, and all I did is a little triangle upside down and filled it in. Then again on the ears, under the white, a little bit thinner, thin to thick to thin lines again. Now I grabbed my Low Cornell round brush number 2 and loaded it with black Diamond Effects. I did 2 dots for the eyes and then started to outline the design, but I only outlined it slightly, I didn't outline it all. Just like on the ears, I only outlined the top of the ears and just tried to keep it nice and thin, as we don't want too much black in this design. As you can see, I do give him a cute little mouth too, and if it's a girl, you're more than welcome to put a few eyelashes on the eyes. Sorry about this guys, but here you do see me go back in with the white, as I completely forgot to put his cute little bushy tail in. So normally I would do that when I do the other white parts of the design, but I just quickly put it in now as I just realised, so I'm really sorry. So all I do is a large dot and I just whisk out a few hairs to make it nice and bushy. Then here I just go back in to outline the rest of the design. Now here is where you can have some fun with your Easter egg, and you can put some lines, some dots, some zigzags, you can do whatever you want. But I grabbed my Low Cornell round brush number 3 and I loaded it up with a blue. Any blue of course would be absolutely fine, or any colour that you prefer, and I thought to put a ribbon with a bow. I thought it would look really cute, and that's exactly what I do, but of course you can do whatever you like. And of course this is completely optional, so you don't have to do this step, but it's completely up to you. Here I just go back in with the same brush as before with my Black Diamond Effects, and I just start to outline the ribbon and the bow. And as there's quite a lot going on towards the bottom of the design, I thought of adding something extra towards the top. So I thought of doing some descending dots, so from larger to smaller. And to fit those dots in with the rest of the design, I thought of adding a few dots inside the Easter egg too. You know what, I'm not sure why, but I actually absolutely love doing dots, and when I start I can't stop. But if not, at the top you could have always done a few teardrops, some stars, you could have got some stencils out and maybe put something else on, but it's completely up to you. Then I just added a few starbursts, and I did add a little bit of a highlight on the egg and just a little bit on the rabbit, but nothing much, as I already think that the design is already quite full enough. And just a quick tip, as you can see when I do highlights, I normally put my finger on top of it to take some of the paint away, as I don't want it to look like a white line, I want it to look like a highlight. So I think that is a really good way of doing it. If not, another way that you could do that is, after you've loaded your brush, the back of my hand I would take some of the paint off, or maybe on a cloth, so it's not a strong colour, it's not a strong white, or if not, I normally do it when my paint is starting to become dry on the brush. And I thought of adding a bit of chunky glitter at the top, as I felt as if there was a bit of an empty space. And that's it really. This is my beautiful Easter design that I will be probably painting on lots and lots of children this Easter, probably adults too. And I hope you really like my cute little bunny rabbit carrying his big Easter egg. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video or if it's helped you out in any way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button if you haven't yet. And a massive, massive thank you, before I forget, to everyone who entered the giveaway. So the giveaway winner is Felicity Sage. I do apologise if I have said your name incorrectly, but please message me with your address so I can post the items out to you, and congratulations. So I'm so sorry to everyone else who hasn't won. Thank you so much, really appreciate it, but there will be other giveaways, so please keep watching the videos and keep an eye out for them. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.